A lot of women are out here taking these men too seriously, clothing them, taking them off the streets, giving them love for free, and still get played on. Is that not witchcraft? Listen, this is time to take your life seriously and understand that these men can survive without you. They don't need you to feel good. They don't need you to make it in life. They don't need you to be happy. They can get that anywhere. Trust me, any woman can give them peace. Any woman can make them feel at home. Stop draining yourself to keep these people. Stop looking for ways to keep a man. Stop looking for how to behave so he can stay and being serious with you. Start looking for how to build yourself right now. This is not a motivational video. I'm telling you fact. That same energy you are using to pursue this man, honestly, if you put it into your goals, I did the same thing and I'm telling you, if you put that energy into pursuing your career, into building something, you will be much happy. Some of you are literally delaying your breakthrough because of this behavior. You abandon yourself to look after a man, to chase a man, to sponsor a man. Don't you love yourself? My channel, this channel is all about helping women make better choices when it comes to dating, personal development, right? I want you to protect your heart, to know that you are the prize. Time is ticking. Time is not going to stop for you. Men can wait. The best time to pursue your dream, to start working on yourself, to build something for your future is right now. Men can wait. There's always going to be a good man, a kind man, a caring man. I never wanted to make this video, but I know someone needs to hear this. If you're tired of losing yourself in a relationship, tired of giving your body, your heart, your youth to men who don't deserve it, this video is for you. From today, I want you to make yourself a priority. Go back to your goals. This is not a motivational video. I'm telling you what you need to hear. Start that business. Fix your life. Start creating. I don't want a man to be your life plan. He should be a sweet addition. Yeah. I'm a lover girl. I love to date. I love men. I don't hate men. But you see your future, you see your tomorrow, you need to take them seriously. This is time to take you, your goals, everything about you seriously. This is time to think about you right now. I want you to snap out of that mindset that makes you feel your youth is for romance. Your youth is not only for romance. Use it wisely to build something for yourself, something that nobody can take away from you. As I speak to you right now, honestly, there are women crying silently in beautiful houses, women lonely in marriages that look happy on Instagram, and women who are exhausted from carrying men on their backs just so they can say, I have somebody. If that's not the life you want for yourself, you better start building differently. Yeah, I made a video here some days ago talking about how to not get ruined by men or embarrassed by men. That video is powerful. I just woke up this morning, picked my phone, and the only thing that could come to my head is tell these girls to start working on themselves. Start working on yourself. I'm tired of seeing strong women broken because of men. I'm really tired of hearing, oh, I used to be hot until I met him. Oh, I used to be that girl. I used to be that, fun girl, business-minded until I met him. I'm tired of hearing all of that. You can still leave him and build yourself. Build something beautiful with yourself. Men can wait, but purpose can't wait. Men come and go, but your future stays with you forever. Do you hear me? Listen to me like a big sister. You need to guard your heart. That commitment you are forcing on men, force it on your dreams. Force it on your goals. You can't keep wasting time on men. You can do love I mean, later, but right now, you must have something. I saw many women crying, telling me of how they don't even have anything apart from their birth certificate. Guard your heart. Work on your bag. Protect your peace. Learn to say no thank you to those men that just want to waste your time. You're yet to meet great people, beautiful people, intelligent people, wealthy, good people. Don't waste the time you're supposed to be using to build yourself, chasing what you will not get or what will destroy you. There is nothing more attractive than a woman who is focused, who is happy, glowing from inside, and moving with intention. That's the woman kings chase. Yeah, that's the woman opportunities come looking for. That's the woman people want to invest in. And that's the woman I want you to become. That's the woman I want to become. That's the woman we are going to become. If we can let go of distractions, if we can stop chasing the wrong things and start building now, start creating. I want us to stop thinking our whole life is all about keeping or trapping a man. Having a good man is important. Very good, beautiful. Well, having your own life is more important. We are entering a new era. I love you, but I love me more. Okay? And what this means is that we don't overgive anymore. We sit on our throne, build empire, we water our life, and let the right one qualify for access. That's all. No more chasing, no more. One thing I promise you is the moment you start choosing you, the wrong men start disappearing. That one will happen. They will disappear on their own without you even saying a word. And that is the most powerful soft life ever. I don't want this video to be too long. All I'm saying in conclusion is this. Time is ticking. It's not gonna wait for you. Start today. Get up. Start today. Start building something. Start thinking about you. Think about yourself. Every day of your life. Think about how to better yourself. Think about your future. What do you want? Stop waiting on somebody to come. Start doing something. Pick up something and start doing it. Be consistent. Start doing something. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and join this beautiful community. I will see you next week. Bye.